In this video, traders, we are going to look at the CoreSpreads mobile trading app. Stay tuned. Hey traders, warm welcome to you. All right, so as you may be aware, CoreSpreads are channel sponsors. They are a spread betting and CFD provider, and they have a mobile app. So what I want to do is I want to check it out, go through it, see what's good about it, see what's not, and see if we sort of think that we could utilize as traders. If you're interested, there's a link in the description below. All right, so I have got here my iPhone XR, and I'm going to kind of bring it up. We'll go through it, record the screen, show you what it's all about. One thing before I do this, guys, mobile trading apps, just want to say this, be careful, right? They are there to be used as a tool, i.e. you place a trade at your desktop machine, your laptop, your office, your home, whatever, and you want to adjust some limits or stops. You're out and about, market's moved, conditions have changed, you want to tweak and adjust limits and stops. Good to have the mobile app for that. You're out and about, you're waiting for a meeting, you've got a few minutes to kill. Great for checking charts and stuff on that. You're out and about, you want to look at some watch lists, you want to kind of scan through some things, see what's going on, be informed about the market. Great for that. What it's not good for is just out and about randomly thinking, oh, I want to place a trade, scanning through, going on cable and betting £100 a point long or short as you feel. That is the surefire way to blowing up your account, and that's a gambler's mentality. So just be careful of that. You know, I don't believe you can make correct decisions from a trading app. If you want to make your decisions when the kind of research you've done after outside market hours, and then maybe pull the trigger on a swing position that have been alerted to you, emails come through, right, a few more final checks, take the trade, then fine. But you know, use it in the way it should be used. Anyway, guys, right, what I'm going to do is I've already installed it on my phone here. What I'll do is I'll log in and we will record the screen and see what's going on. Okay, so the first screen we see as we come in is the popular market screen. Let's have a look. These are the ones that are pre-populated by CoreSpreads. I've also got one watch list set up with Dow rolling cash in there. All your watch lists are going to be shown there on the pull down. If I want to search for a specific market, I can scroll through and I can either select from their pre-populated. So let's say I wanted to trade Brent, and Brent pops up there with the chart. That looks okay. And if I want to search specifically, how do I do that? So I just search in the taskbar at the top there, or the search bar at the top, Facebook rolling. So I wanted to trade Facebook, for example. Okay, great, all pretty self-explanatory and clear. So let's have a look at the tickets and the chart. So let's say I wanted to trade the DAX, or the Germany 30s, as they call it. We've got a 1 point spread on the DAX. In fact, you know what? Let's look at the FTSE. I know that the FTSE is quite popular. How much is the FTSE? 0.8 it looks like. Okay, good. So rolling cash. First thing you've got on your screen here is you've got a ticket, a kind of ticket at the top and a chart at the bottom. So let's place some orders and see what's going on. So if I click buy, I can adjust my amount. I'm on a spread betting platform here, so it's pounds per point. Let's say I do £2 per point. And what else can I do? Hedging button. I've done a video talking about that. That's quite useful. Place as an order. Okay, so that's going to differentiate it between a trade going through a market and an order. So you place it as an order, you can either adjust that up or down. That'll be a stop or a limit. So a standalone order. Fine. I can attach a stop loss to it, and I can attach a limit to it. And it looks like I can attach both. Okay, so that's pretty nice. So let's say I want a stop loss 16 points away, and I want a limit, let's just not waste, 22 points away. So now I've got buy highlighted there. I've got my position size in. Let's just do 2, place my trade, get a confirmation, confirm, execute. So I get forwarded, looks like, to the position section, and it shows me I've got £2 a point at 73.36, current price being 73.34 and change. Okay, good. So now if I wanted to amend that, I can select it, either close it directly here or amend. And from amend, it looks like I can tweak and adjust the stops. So if I wanted to tighten the stop a little bit, oh, that's strange how it popped up into that. If I want to tweak and adjust it, I can do. So 10 points away, let's say I want to extend that, I can amend that. Good. I can close it from there as well by the look of it. So close position. So I closed half then, and if I wanted to close the whole position, close position, bang, position closed. Okay, so that's pretty good. Right, let's look at the charts, guys. Let's go to Euro US dollar, have a look at the charts. Okay, so charts you know, on mobile devices, I'm on an XR here. If you're on, say, an XS Max, you're gonna have bigger screen real estate and whatever the Android equivalent is. You've got your time frames here, so I can go to a 5 minute. This is like a little tooltip thing where if you hover over a candlestick, it's giving you all the information. That's slightly annoying if I'm honest. How do I get rid of that? On the scale. Okay, so you click on the scale to get rid of it. So a pinch is allowing me to zoom in and out as well, just as I would expect. So now I can see I've got the Euro US dollar. I've got a good idea of what's going on 5 minute. I want a bit more of a granular view. I'm going on 1 minute and I can see what's going on. It'll also allow you to tip it as well into landscape mode, but I won't do that because then you guys will have to tilt your heads on the screen and see, but you can definitely tip it into landscape and get the full width. All right, what else can I do from here? So I can adjust my save views, I can change my chart style, I can add some indicators on as well. Let's have a look. So let's try, this is where sometimes they fall down these. Okay, 50 period, that looks fine, clear enough. Okay, what happens if I start adding on stuff on the lower section? So let's go with average true range. My go-to average true range. Okay, that looks okay. Can you adjust it and tweak it? You can't adjust and tweak how much size that takes up. If you tilted it to landscape, it's a little bit more squashed. It's actually not that good in landscape, if I'm honest. I think I prefer it in portrait mode. I think it's a bit clearer. It looks like you can't do any drawing though, guys, in portrait mode, but you can draw on it in landscape mode, so you can place your horizontal lines and do all your drawing and bits and pieces from there. What else have we got? So in the settings, we can adjust our trade settings, our default size, our order size, and that's pretty much it. So there's no frills, there's no bells and extra bells and whistles, no news on it, but then CoreSpreads are kind of setting themselves out as being a cheaper or a tighter spread betting company and not providing things like news and other bits and pieces. So that's the CoreSpreads mobile trading platform. If you want to check it out, link in the description below. Take care, see you next one, bye bye.